Here in Architecture Management, let's follow that linked requirement back into the requirements management part of the platform. And here you can see we're looking at the system requirements for the Hummingbird. And with this view applied, we can see all of the test cases that validate these requirements. I can immediately see which of these test cases have been executed and which ones haven't, which ones passed and which ones failed. Let's follow one of those links into the test management part of the platform. Test management provides a collaborative hub for systems and software quality across virtually any platform and type of testing. This test case is part of a test plan, which of course has other test cases in it. The test case also has a related test script. We'll look at that in a moment. In test management, teams can collaborate and share information easily and seamlessly. For example, this test case is connected to requirements and also a work item in workflow management. And of course, we also have rich hover, so our tester can see the requirement that they're testing against without the need to open the requirements tool or to refer to some external spreadsheet. The test case has a related test script, which defines the nature of the test. Tests can be manual or automated. This one is a manual test script, defining the set of steps the tester should perform along with the expected results. Manual tests like these can be performed in the lab using a web browser, but they can also be exported out so that the tester can use a smart device like an iPad to perform the tests out in the field and then upload the results when they get back to base. For automated tests, the platform can invoke a test from an external testing tool, such as those from National Instruments, and gather the results for analysis here in the hub. Let's go back to the test case and look at test execution records. Here we can see a record of all of the execution runs for this test, and test script that was executed, and also the result of the test. If we drill down and look at this test result, then we can see that some of those steps in the script passed, but some of them didn't, and so the overall test was a failure. Testing activities can be automated, reducing the amount of manual, labour-intensive work. For example, when this test failed, our tester clicked one button, and that raised a defect. Test management automatically created links in that defect to the test results, the test case, the test plan, and the requirements that were being tested. All of this traceability really helps when you're trying to prove compliance to standards like DO 178B and C. The last thing we're going to look at in this part of the demonstration is around analysis, reporting, and KPIs.